Hey everyone. So it's Tuesday the 16th of August and it's been a great day for trading today. So many good stocks moving. Now we did we did actually lose a bit to start off with, and then we made some gains. We traded Bed Bath and Beyond primarily. That was a big one today. It moved up over 75% on the day to its peak, and big steady gains. Part of a short squeeze candidate. It's from my data, over 100% short interest on the on Bed Bath and Beyond. I think there was 53% of the float was shorted. So very highly shorted stock. It was moving up very well today. And as I say, 75% gain on the day. Bed Bath and Beyond, it just didn't seem like it was going to stop. It seemed like it was going to continue all day. It moved up from a little over $15. I think it's just under $16 from yesterday's closing price, but it was just under 15, just over $15 that it moved up from to almost $29 on the day, and big moves across the course of the day. And it's held most of its gains from yesterday, and then moved up, and it's still trading right now as I'm recording this. It's trading over $21, so it is holding some of those gains. Based on the short squeeze action, we may see continuation tomorrow. So I'll be watching this tomorrow. This is on my watch list for the morning. And if we do get any continued movement tomorrow, then I may be looking for some additional action. I was contemplating swinging this overnight, but I did decide against it, and we'll look to trade it if there is sufficient action and sufficient momentum tomorrow. So I'll show you some of that. We got additional profit from TGL. So that was the ticker. TGL is Treasure Global, Treasure Global Incorporated. Again, this one was another move up. We traded this pre-market, was where we got most of the gains. After the bell, it pretty much sold off for the rest of the day. So it was good to get on this, and we got on this really quick. It was a very quick trade, and we made over $4,000 on this. So this put us in a good position coming into the open, and then Bed Bath and Beyond was just throughout the day. We just kept taking trades throughout the day. We weren't trading it all day, but intermittently across the day, and every time we took a trade, we seemed to gain. We made over $29,000, $29,500 on Bed Bath and Beyond. So today is a $31,000 profitable day. We had a $10,000 drawdown from yesterday, so not only have we cleared that, so we're back at all-time highs on the annual highs. But we've also hit the monthly goal. So as a result of today's, we were 86,500 in terms of gross profit on the month. Our monthly goal is 100,000. So based on an additional 30,000 on top of that, we're already, what that would be, 117,000 on the month. Now, bearing in mind the best month of the year so far was last month, July, a little over 163,000 in gross profit. So 117 means that we could be in a good position to try and challenge that this month. We've got another 11 trading days left after today. So let's see what we can do in the next 2 weeks. See what happens. Now let's talk through the trades. We traded 6 stocks in total, 2 profitable, 4 not so much. So in terms of trade accuracy, trade selection today, that wasn't really on point. But I'm not really bothered. Making money is the priority here. So a $30,000. Anytime you're making $30,000 in a day, you cannot be grumbling about your trade accuracy. It's a really good trading day, but even though it's a 2-to-1 accuracy ratio, but certainly the risk reward is more than outweighing that. the Bed Bath & Beyond trade in particular. Now, I've recorded some of the trades. I will show them after I've talked through a couple of these and then showing you these, and you can watch in real time. So let's have a look at TGL. So TGL on the 5 minute, we got this move up here, and we got in here for the break of $9, and we rolled this up, and we took some quick profits up at the top. We actually added up to our position, took some profits here, added back for the break of 950, and then we took some profits up at the top, and as it started to pull back, we exited the position. It then just pretty much sold off the rest of the day. So this particular pop here was I believe the best we could have done, and we did well to get this, and to make 4,000 on it was you know, good progress and a really good start to the day. We did give some of that back. We traded FRZA X1, we traded IONQ, and we traded AMC. So we gave some of that back early. We traded, and then we started trading Bed Bath & Beyond. We did try and trade, so I traded FUBO on the small account and got to goal, over goal on the small account. And then I switched to the large account to trade FUBO because it still looked like it had some gas in there, and I lost some money. So I lost 1,600 on FUBO, and that came off the top of the Bed Bath & Beyond. So Bed Bath & Beyond, look at this on the 5 minute. And we got in this relatively early. So we traded this relatively early, Bed Bath & Beyond, in terms of after the bell. And we got in here as it moved up. We took some profits here. Then it moved up again. We re-entered here, and we took profits all the way up on this one. And as it started to pull back, we got stopped out a couple of times. The next time we traded this was up here, and we traded this move up here and took profits, and ended up getting stopped out when it pulled back. We next traded this on this range here. So we traded this range here. We moved up and we got in here and took some profits up at this piece here, and then again here we. Not that one, it was this one. So we got in here, and so as this pulled back, bit of a W shape. I'm stretching, I know I am, but it was looked for this. We got in here and rolled this up to the top there, and then it started to pull back. So really good trades. A lot of gains on this. Over we didn't take huge size. We were being cautious with the sizing. But we made good gains. Pretty much every trade we were making $5,000, $7,000, $10,000, depending on. And when you look at the range that we were trading, from kind of $25.50 up to $28, so that's $2.50. So taking 5,000 shares and riding that up for $2.50, you're making $12,500 just on that one move there. So you didn't have to ride this up too much. You didn't have to trade this all day. I know somebody that was trading this from kind of 15s all the way up and made an absolute fortune today, over a $10 move. Unfortunately, I didn't, but I'm not going to complain. I enjoyed my trading today, and I've recorded some of the trades, so watch and enjoy. Back to 27. Put a really stop in place. Oh, it's just 20 cents. Nice. Looks like we could be at monthly goal. 5,000 shares, just moved almost a whole dollar. There we go, 28. Yep, we're at monthly goal. So that was a nice trade. Seven again. For 27.50. For 27.50. $7.30s, 27.40. Oh. $15,000 on Bed Bath and Beyond. Nice. That's 18,000 in total on the day. So after that trade, as I mentioned earlier, we went to the small account again, and we traded FUBO. We got a little bit on FUBO, and then we tried to trade FUBO on this account, the main account, and lost. Then I went away, had some dinner, came back, and traded the rest on Bed Bath and Beyond. And we finished 29,500 up on Bed Bath and Beyond on the day. But I hope you enjoyed the replay of the trades and on the recap. If you did, remember to hit the thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. It just really helps with the algorithm. And I will be back at it tomorrow, 90 minutes before the market opens. I will be looking for trades from 2 hours before the market opens, but I start my live stream here on YouTube, on Twitch, on Twitter, and on TikTok, and also now on ShareVision. I start my live stream 90 minutes before the market opens, so that's 8 a.m. New York or East Coast, and that's 1 p.m. here in Dublin, and also 1 p.m. in the UK. It's 2 p.m. on the continent of Europe. So wherever you are, work it out. Come join me tomorrow. We trade live. We stream for the first 90 minutes pre-market and for the first hour of the open. I look forward to seeing you there, and I look forward to another profitable green day. See you soon.